it's filling with twice the amount of water to get the same, and because it's a much shorter cycle as well. So it's about, for 43 watts, about 40 minutes.
Softener, right? Water softener. Do you notice one underneath it?
No, there wasn't. I don't.
No.
But there's like a cap which says possibly might in that corner. Oh, there's a vacuum switch.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'll tell man.
It's not making any difference in the water, have you noticed?
No, that's alright, we've got all that all in the
Try one more notch on the corner. Ooh, come in. Also, it's moved
So that you don't. See, there's a big, like, geared wheel on that arm there.
Sorry, just let me zoom in on that. Right, can you just point to where it is, please, Matthew? Yeah, and that actually drives the.
That revolves the basket, and as you slide it in, it lines up with that spray arm at the back. And when the water's running, it pushes that little metal pin up, which, when it goes round, pushes that little plastic arm and revolves the basket.
It's fab, isn't it?
And there's
No, it's not on a belt at all. It's no.
No, the other one was.
It probably lost the water.
Yeah. Yeah, using the correct